everyone, welcome to Bala English School. Today, in this video, let us learn some words which are used instead of one particular word. This will help you in improving your communication skill as well as it will add on to your vocabularies. So before going towards today's video, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to like and share the video. Different ways to say wait. Hold on. Wait and see. You will just have to be patient. Just wait until. Hang on. Hold on a minute. Hang on a moment. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Just a minute. Just a second. Let me see. Let me think. Bear with me. Bear with us. Something will have to wait. All in good time. Not so fast. I will be right with you. Sorry, I am a bit tired up right now. So all these are the words which you can use instead of saying wait every time. Our next saying is about I am hungry. So how can you tell I am hungry in a different ways? My stomach is growling. I need food. I am starving. I could eat a scabby horse. I am famished. My stomach feels like my throat's been cut. I have got the munchies. Our next ways of saying is, how can you differently tell the word thank you? Many thanks. Cheers. I cannot thank you enough. Thank you so much. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a lot. Tha. All these are the different ways to say thank you. Next is different ways to say you are welcome. Anytime. Don't mention it. Glad to help. My pleasure. No problem. No worries. Not at all. That's all right. All these are different ways to say thank you and different ways to say you are welcome. Next is different ways to say how are you? How have you been? How's it going? What's up? What's new? How's it going? How is everything? What are you up to? How are you holding up? How are things going? How are you been? How's life? What's going on? What's happening? How do you do? All right. All these are the different ways to say how are you. Now let us see the different ways to say congratulations. You're doing a good job. You're doing beautifully. You're really growing up. That's the way to do it. You're very good at it. Well done. That is better than ever. You have done a great job. Keep up the good work. You rock. You really deserve it. You did it this time. Pat on the back. All these were different words to say congratulations. This was our today's video about how do you use one single word in different ways. How can you tell one word in many ways. Please do note down all these things so that you can use it in your daily life for your vocabulary improvement as well as your communication development. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button for our latest videos. Thank you.